Hello from the Bureau of Meteorology. Thanks for joining us here for the National Weather Forecast. Today is Monday, but of course we really focused on the weather for Tuesday in this video, and in some ways we can just breathe a little sigh of relief because the tropical cyclones, the major flooding from the last couple of weeks up in our northern latitudes, well, not going to be so prevalent this week at all. Instead, this week we're going to be talking about high pressure, cooler than average temperatures, and a few showers here and there dotted around the country, but no big, powerful, significant weather systems on the map this week to point to. It's all much more standard, normal garden variety stuff. So let's zip around the states. There will be the usual selection of wet season showers and thunderstorms across the peninsula here, mostly from about Ingham northwards, from Townsville down to Brisbane along the east coast. Partly cloudy skies, one or two light showers, just a couple of millimetres if you get anything at all. There will be lots of dry areas as well, and it will be hot and dry without even cloud in the sky for central and western districts. A mostly sunny day across New South Wales on Tuesday. Really lovely weather actually, not much wind around. Temperatures 1 or 2 degrees cooler than typical for this time of year, but I don't see that causing too many issues. Maybe a shower or two up in the far northeast, but dry everywhere else. A few cool temperatures to kick off the day. In the morning for inland spots, just 7 degrees in Canberra, but that should warm up quickly after the sun rises. A weak cold front will brush by southern Victoria on Tuesday, and that will bring a narrow line of showers through the late morning or afternoon across the southern districts, including the chance of a shower through Melbourne. It will also reinforce the cooler temperatures across the south of the state, with those highs in the low 20s. Sunny and a bit warmer further north, up to about 30 degrees. We'll also see the cool southwest winds and showers cross over Tasmania through Tuesday morning and perhaps early afternoon before drying up and clearing off of the map through the second half of the day. Hobart has a cool high of 17 degrees with a few morning showers. Rainfall totals will mostly be light, perhaps 2 to 10 millimetres. Any rain will be greatly received in the northwest with the ongoing bushfires there, but this is not that type of prolonged soaking rain which could douse some of those ongoing fires. A mild day across South Australia on Tuesday. We will be seeing a little bit of chilliness in the air through the morning, and then temperatures a couple of degrees cooler than average through the afternoon as well. May get a shower down in the far south and could also see a few showers and storms in the far western districts, but it will be dry everywhere in between. There's lots of moisture over the southern part of WA through the southern interior and the south coast, and that's all remnant moisture from ex-tropical cyclone Zelia, which has moved from the Pilbara down to the southern interior in the last few days, and that's going to mean cloudy skies, patchy showers, a couple of thunderstorms. We could even get some severe storms over the southern interior. None of that looks likely to impact Perth. It will be a dry day along the southwest coast with temperatures in the low 30s, maybe a touch of cloud cover, and we have well and truly returned to dry sunny weather in the northwest after last week's rainfall. We did see some reasonable rainfall yesterday across the top end, up to about 90 millimetres. As for rain on Tuesday, possibly overnight, then clearing through the morning, but showers and storms will return here through the afternoon and evening across the Kimberley and the top end, with locally moderate, potentially even isolated heavy falls. Most of the wet weather is north of Katherine, meaning central and southern parts of the territory are warm, dry and sunny. Stay up to date with all your weather needs this week on the Bureau's website and app. Thanks for checking in. Have a great day.